Hello everyone, how to log in TextFree using cookies. I am showing login video. Just you seen. Open Chrome browser. I am open Chrome browser. Extension use cookies editor. I am already added. I am remove. Search cookies editor. Added to Chrome. Pin cookies editor. Search TextFree. Computer use VPN or IP USA location. Login. Just wait. Loads website. Open cookies editor. This site. Allow. Open cookies editor. Import. Click. I am sent you cookies data. This is cookies data. Paste. Import it. Just refresh this page. TextFree login. I am sent another phone number message. Thank you guys. Needed order.